welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. One thing in which almost every candidate for the IBPSP interview is worried, that is gap year. Sir, how do you justify gap year? So I'm here to help you on this aspect. First of all, अगर आपका gap year 1 year या उससे कम है, so you need not to worry. They will not ask about it that what you are doing from the last 1 year. वो नहीं पूछेंगे. 1 साल से कम है तो you need not to worry about it. ठीक है? If your gap year is 2 year more than that, then they will definitely ask that what you were doing from this much duration. First of all, on this question, 90% students lose their confidence. Don't lose the confidence. Confidence आपको कभी lose नहीं करना है, ठीक है? मैं आपको pointers बता रहा हूँ, उसको follow करिए. Your answer will be completely fine during the interview. You will be able to justify it. Before that, one important information: we have started our mock interview in the batch. We have launched a new batch with 2 mock interview to keep your price low. After discount, you will be able to join it around at 1600 or 1650 rupees. ठीक है, 16-1700 रुपीस का आपका बैच पड़ेगा. यू कैन ज्वाइन इट टुडे. स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन इमीडिएटली. अपना प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करिए, मॉक इंटरव्यूज दीजिए एंड देन ओनली गो फॉर द. इन दिस बैच यू विल बी एबल टू अटेंड लाइव क्लासेस, बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस वीडियोस, हर कुछ इसमें आपका अवेलेबल है. सो यू कैन स्टार्ट द प्रिपरेशन टुडे. I'm coming toward the answer. How to justify the gap year during the back interview, especially when I'm talking about the IBPSP interview. Point number 1, don't create stories. बच्चे क्या करते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, बड़ी बड़ी कहानियां बना देते हैं. देयर वाज अ मेडिकल रीजन इन माय फैमिली. अगर था तो बताओ. इफ देयर वाज अ मेडिकल सिचुएशन विद एनीवन इन योर फैमिली, टेल दिस कॉन्फिडेंटली. कोई हेजिटेशन मत रखो, बट डोंट क्रिएट स्टोरीज. और I was there in a medical situation, sir. Don't create such a story. Reason, they will raise 2-3 cross question and they will understand and realize कि यार झूठ बोल रहा है. It is not truth, and that is going to be very negative impact for you. So be truthful to the panel. That is my first suggestion. If you have prepared for the competitive examination, बहुत सारे cases में होता है, sir, I was preparing for UPSC and now I switched to banking industry. I have got the suggestion, don't talk about UPSC. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है यार. आप यूपीएससी की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे थे, कोई पाप थोड़ी कर रहे थे. बताओ ना. सर, आई वाज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर यूपीएससी. आई हैव रिटन 2 अटेम्प्ट. I was unable to clear the mains examination. Once I cleared pre also in UPSC. Or sir, I was unable to clear the pre-examination only. Or you were preparing for SSC. उसके बारे में बात करो. Sir, I was preparing for SSC, but the exams were delayed. Then I realized and understand that banking sector is giving one of the good opportunity and growing opportunity in the industry at present. So I switched my preparation from SSC to banking, and from this year onward I am writing the banking examinations. For the first year I was unable to clear the pre-examination. From next year onwards I started clearing pre, but I was unable to clear the mains, sir. This year I have cleared my pre-mains both and sitting here for this interview with the hope that this year my name will be there in the list of bankers. तो ऐसे कॉन्फिडेंस से आप आंसर करो ना. जर्नी को स्टेप बाय स्टेप बताओ, वो ऑटोमेटिकली गैप आपका फिल कर देगी. तो ऑनेस्ट रहो, आंसर कॉन्फिडेंटली करो, स्टेप बाय स्टेप अपने पॉइंटर्स रखो. दे विल एक्सेप्ट योर आंसर ऑलवेज इन दैट केस. अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंटली देखो, 2 चीजें होती हैं. सर, आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 4 years, आई एम अनेबल टू क्लियर. सर, आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फ्रॉम द लास्ट 4 years and in this journey I have learned perseverance, continuous effort can give you the result. For example, sir, I am preparing from long time and I had a hope that definitely one day I will be attending the interview of IBPS and one day I will definitely get selected on the position of bank PO. With that confidence, sir, continuously I am trying from the last 4 years and I am not losing my hope. My family is also supported, and because of that today I am sitting here in front of you. Take it like your achievement that you are giving the IBPS PO interview. तो वो भी एक achievement है भाई. तो उसको आप positive aspect में लो, not in the negative manner. So they will understand that you are the person with the positivity. ये जो आपका gap था, इसने आपको break नहीं किया है. You are still positive. So like this, you need to give the valid reason. And during this time, how you have upgraded yourself, how you have increased your skills. Like, so during this preparation time, I have improved my banking knowledge, I have improved my financial knowledge. I was preparing so long. Now my mathematical skills are good. So talk about all of these skills which are going to be helpful in the banking industry. So convert your gap year, which can be negative, to a positive aspect to increase the chances of your interview. I hope my answers are going to be helpful for you to now frame your answer. Don't copy my answer, frame your answer by taking as a reference. So all the best for your interview, guys, and remember that mock interview slots are available on the Guidely platform in my batch, so you can join them today and start your preparation immediately. All the best for your interview. Take care.